Yo, morning peeps. Me and Kush here. Say hi, Kush. Just bringing you guys some more flight footage from my analog archives. Anyways, Kush says we want to get to it, don't we? Alright. Stay safe, peeps, and FPV for life.
Okay, sorry is it sorry does. She just wanna cut up in the car, told her start it up. I don't wanna see it from your eyes unless it's Cartier. Ran into my old chick, she said you ain't playing fair. Playing fair, playing fair. Nah, I ain't playing fair. Playing fair, playing fair. Nah, I ain't playing fair. Asked her why she staying there, she said she don't know. I had to ask some more, but I really had to go and get my bop on. Yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she got hop on. She know I'm the top dog, I know she a hot one. Balenci's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. Yeah, I get my bop on. Yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she got hop on. She know I'm the top dog, I know she a hot one. Balenci's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on.
She said with my hot sauce, she ain't with no knockoff. See them, we gon' pop off. Uber getting dropped off, kicking in the door, we ain't knock on it. Ice on your beat, then you know it got the bop to it. Running up the streams like the stock market. They ain't with no beef, tell them stop talking. Rock a goatee like I'm Hulk Hogan. Put on R&B, then I hit her with the slow stroking. Ooh. Then I told her she could hop on it, hop on it.
Bop on, yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she could hop on. She know I'm the top dog, I know she a hot one. Balenci's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. Yeah, I get my bop on, yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she could hop on. She know I'm the top dog, I know she a hot one. Balenci's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. Yeah, yeah. Double B's on me, yeah. Double C's on the dough. Double D's dunking, no. Going nuts for the flow. Tank on E, F it, bro. I'm a G, let him know. Who is he? ISO. Who is he? ISO. Bop on, yeah, I get my bop on. If she wanna give me neck, gotta keep the top on. But she got the top off while I got topped off. She was taking too long, now I'm finna nod off. So I get my bop on, yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she got hop on. She know I'm the top dog, I know she a hot one. Balenci's on the feet, and it's so pop on, yeah, I get my bop on. If she wanna give me neck, gotta keep the top on. But she got the top off while I got topped off. She was taking too long, now I'm finna nod off. So I get my bop on, yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she got hop on. She know I'm the top dog, I know she a hot one. Balenci's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. Yeah, I get my bop on, yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she got hop on. She know I'm the top dog, I know she a hot one. Balenci's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. Yeah, yeah.
These props are so long that the only reason it's even working is because I have the arms offset. Because the fronts are lower than the backs. That's the only reason it's working.
That's funny.
Almost like Mavic style, huh?
Yeah.
Mavic's like that.
See all this shit? You see this? Well, some of it came off. Look at that, right there. See all the nasty stuff? It's these damn crows and shit eating these berries and shitting on my car. There's those motherfuckers over there. You guys ready? Let's go have some fun. Fucking little shits. I'll teach them this shit on my car. Oh, if you need our goggles,
Go find that.
oh, I see them over there. They just left in their park. Had the berries already in their mouth and shit. I'm
Oh
like,
yeah, they're out there.
I'm like, you little motherfuckers already eating this thing.
And if you weren't the one, it's guilt by association, motherfucker. Coming for your ass.
Exactly. You could send the message to your brethren.
Yeah.
Little shits.
No, that's actually a pretty big shit.
Yeah. It was a nasty one too.
Something's vibrating already. Maybe it won't work.
Oh, is that what that sound was?
Oh, I think it's my.
Or is it hitting something?
I don't know. I think it was hitting the balance. This might be a bad idea.